Hey, in a successful agency, your sales and your recruiting department work extremely efficiently, right? Now, both these departments work on very high momentum, like constantly closing deals, talking with clients, closing jobs, so on and so forth. But sometimes, whenever there is data handshake happening between these two departments, there might be some sort of friction. Now, we wanted to solve this. We wanted to ensure that whenever a deal is won, there is a adjacent job created of the same name with all the details of that particular deal without anybody getting involved. Super smooth ensures that your momentum is maintained, right? And that's what we have done in Recruiterflow this month. Now, if you want to see this in action, all you got to do is head to your settings, then head to CRM settings. On top, you will see the deal to job conversion option. Just make sure you enable that. And once that is done, you can set up mapping for your job fields to your deal fields. Whatever mapping you choose, for example, in this scenario, my job title will be taken from the deal name, so on and so forth. I have created this mapping for myself. Now, this is the minimum mapping, but if you want to add more data fields, you can do that as well. You have the option to update your system fields and custom fields using the deal data. So no limitations there. Once you have set this up, all you got to do is let's quickly head to my deals. And let's say I have the LevOps manager job here. I'm going to move it to closed one. Let's quickly give a reason. And then I have this option of create a new job using this deal. Once I click on that, save and create, and I'll be taken to the jobs page with all necessary information already fed in. You will see the job title is already there. I have the commitment, all that stuff. All I gotta do is maybe add some more data over here. I have the JD, set up my job, and I'm good to go. No data loss, no friction, ensures that the momentum is well kept. Even if this particular job is not made live, it will be there in your draft so that you can come back, fill all that data, set it up, and keep running. Now, this was converting your deals to jobs. Questions, any suggestions or for improvements, you can just let us know. We'll be happy to listen and support you whenever you need help. Until next time.